Welcome to this MAGICapp tutorial about editing existing content, updating, and version control. In this video, we'll talk about how to update your guideline, manage versions, and use advanced features that make collaboration and communication between authors and readers more effective. Let's start. So you already published a version of the guideline, and now you have an update in the evidence. There's a new study that changes the effect estimate of one of your outcomes. You go to the Evidence tab, to your evidence profile, and edit the information. In this case, we have one more study, more participants, and a change in the effect estimate. But overall, there are no changes in the direction of the effect or the strength of the recommendation. To communicate this change to your readers, you can go to the Options menu in the recommendation, access Status Labels, and then add the new label, in this case, Updated Evidence with no change in recommendation. Once you're happy with the edits, it's time to publish a new version. Go to the Settings menu, Publishing, Publish New Version, and then you can customize these different options. You can use this comment box to communicate with your team and readers what's changed in this version. You can access our video tutorial about publishing and version history for more information. If you want to share these updates with your colleagues, you can head to Publishing Version History and Subscription. You can access the permanent link that will always take your users to the most current version, or you can access older versions of the guideline by clicking the eye icon or copying the link to that specific version. Now, let's talk about some advanced features to communicate better with authors and readers. You have a new study and you want to update an outcome, but you need someone to review the changes, or you want to keep the original outcome visible alongside the updated one. Shadow outcomes let you do exactly that. These act as draft layers on top of existing outcomes and appear highlighted in green. You can review, compare, and edit these changes before finalizing. If you're working with a ref file, you can create shadows for all outcomes at once. See our separate video for how to do that. Now, you might be ready to publish most of your guideline, but still working on certain recommendations or outcomes. Or maybe you have internal data you're not ready to share. Use the Hide in Published Versions option to temporarily remove these from public view. The hidden outcomes or recommendations will appear grayed out with a ghost icon, clearly visible to authors but hidden from readers. To show it again, you can click Show in Published Versions. And just to note, you cannot hide entire sections. If you want to see what readers will see before publishing, you can use Preview to check exactly how your guideline will appear. Author-only prompts like Write General section or the 3 tabs won't appear in the final view. When collaborating, turn on Track Changes to help co-authors easily identify edits. This makes team updates more transparent and efficient. Anything added will be in green, deletions will be in red, and you can also add comments. You can enable track changes for specific sections, or you can also enable them for all your authors in the entire guideline. Now, last but not least, to communicate updates, you can use several features, including tags, publishing logs, and include executive summaries in your guidelines. Use recommendation labels or tags like updated, new, to flag changes for readers. Like we saw at the beginning, every time you publish a new version, your comment is stored in the publishing log, providing a timeline of changes for readers and editors. And finally, to give a clear overview of all key changes, you can include an executive summary or reading guide at the beginning of the guideline. And that's it. From quick fixes to major updates, MAGICapp gives you full control of your guidelines content and communication. Happy guideline making!